In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this 3D layered silhouette image out of a silhouette dachshund. And you can see the layers here. I can't wait to cut this out and actually get the foam in between the layers and get it in a frame. It's going to look really cool. Okay, so how do I do it? Choose an image. I'm going to choose this bat this time. I'll update the preview. The trace looks good, so I'll choose OK. And then I'm going to actually change this color because I want to start with a dark blue. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Effects, Shadow Layer. I'm going to check Invert, and I'm going to change this color, and I'm going to do 75, 0.075. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here so I can actually see this as it's changing. Okay, and then with that still selected, I'm going to go back to Shadow Layer again. I'm going to click Invert. I'm going to change the color to even a lighter color, and I'm going to choose 75 again, 0.075. Okay, and then I want to make sure that I put that on the right layer. Yeah, see, I have 3 here, but when I select them all and align them, I only see 2. So I did something wrong with this one, so I'll just let's see, I'll start over. That's what I'll do. Alright, you want to always make sure that your top layer is selected before you do your invert offset. So let's go back, start over. I'm going to change this color to a lighter blue, and I'm going to choose 0.075, and I'm going to invert. You have to check invert first. I'll get it, guys. Hang on. There we go. Alright, now deselect over here somewhere and then select this layer and come back to your shadow layer, check invert, check 0.075, change the color, and choose OK. Select over here somewhere, choose your top color, go back to Effects, Shadow Layer, Invert, change the color, go to a lighter blue, and 75. 0.075. Okay, then deselect, select your top layer, go back to Effects, Shadow Layer, Invert, change your color, go to even lighter blue, and choose 75, 0.075. Okay, and then one more, deselect, select the top layer, Effects, Shadow Layer, Invert, Color, I'm going to choose white, and I'm going to choose 75. 0.075. Enter. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to draw a rectangle around my bat here. And I'm going to size it to 11 inches by I want this to be as skinny as possible, but I want it to cover. Let me select this and make it a little smaller. I want to be able to get 2 cuts out of one 8.5 by 11. So this needs to be 11 inches. And this is 3.9, so that should get me 2 cuts. Alright, so now what I'm going to do with this one is copy it and paste it. And then this one I'm going to turn black. That's going to be my background layer. Alright, this one I need to check and see how many layers I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need 6 rectangles. Let me zoom back out. So I have 1, if I paste in place, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Now I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to get my eyedropper and choose my top color, which is white, and then I'm going to drag that down here, select both, and come over here to position and size, choose selection, and line them up and go to object merge. And then I'm going to take this and put it on top of the black, make sure it's on the top. And then the next one, which I believe is the same color, so I don't have to change the color of the rectangle on this one. Go to object merge and put this one on top of the white. And as you can see, it didn't go on the top, so go to object, arrange, bring to front. Alright, and then our next one, go to the eyedropper, select that color, grab that piece, select both, align, object merge, and put that on top. And object arrange, bring to front. Alright, and then we have this one, the eyedropper, this color, grab this one, select them, align them, object merge, and put this one on top. Object arrange, bring to front. And then this one, eyedropper, this color, select both, align, and merge, and put that on top. Object arrange, bring to front. And then this one is our last one, which we need to change this color, and select both, align, and merge, and bring to front. And there we have it. It's that easy. Except they're not aligned properly. So I must have missed one or two. There we go. That looks better. So that's it. Pretty easy, right? And when you put foam in between these, it'll look really cool, dimensional, like that, in a frame. So I just was playing with it and thought I'd do a video on it. Maybe you guys can put it to use. Thanks for watching.